but I don't feel like it. And it feels really good so far. So first we're going to start with the pumpkin, of course, to do this hair mask, which has potassium in it. Up next, we're going to do the coconut milk, which has protein in it and vitamin B and C in it for sure, which is really good for your natural hair. And up next is the honey, which is the natural hair moisturizer. It contains both emollients and humectant in your hair, which is good properties for your natural hair, which is conditioning your natural hair. And lastly for this is going to have the avocado oil, which has also proteins in it and also good for moisturizing your hair. So let's get started how we make this hair mask. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to start off with the pumpkin can to scoop it in. I'm using a fork to get it all out. I'm using the full can to use this as my hair mask today. Up next, I'm going in with the coconut milk. I'm using half of the can because I don't want to use all of it at one time. So I'm also going to mix it up really good so it can emulsify with the pumpkin pulp, excuse me. And up next, I'm using 2 tablespoons of the avocado oil. You can add more if you'd like, or you can use olive oil if you like. You can use either one. I just chose to use avocado oil. And up next, I'm using the honey, and I'm just squeezing some in the bowl. I'm giving it a really good mix. And voila, there's your hair mask. So I've already made my mixture, and this is the first time me trying this. My hair is day 8, 7, I don't know, but it's crusty and I'm ready for me to wash my hair. So basically I've seen videos when people actually use this as a pre-poo, like they'll do this before they wash their hair, because I've seen that people say it's hard to wash the pumpkin pulp out, so that's why I don't want to go with real pumpkin. But they said the pumpkin can is still good too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some water to get it kind of damp. I don't want to go on wet, dry, like kind of damp hair. That's what I'm doing. Get my hair kind of wet. If you have more hair than me, you can probably just duck your head in the water, but I'm not doing that right now. Okay, so I think my hair is pretty wet. Okay, so initial thoughts of the mixture. I didn't like the smell of it at first, so I added some cinnamon and some vanilla extract because I did not like the smell of it, and I think I made too much. So I know I'm gonna have some leftovers, so I'm for the rest and use the rest of it next week because I think that'll be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with it. It's really watery, so I think I'm gonna have a lot left because my hair's not that long. So okay, so here we go. And I got a towel because I've seen videos and they say it's really messy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. Ooh, it feels good. I should section my hair off, but I don't feel like it. And it feels really good so far. Really good. I can smell the pumpkin. And they said this is good for, you know, hair growth and making your hair grow, and that's what I need. I need my hair to grow. I need my hair to grow and grow. And with the coconut milk, it's gonna help with that protein. Oof. Yeah, it's kind of messy, so I would definitely not wear your nice clothes with this, because this is really messy. Really, really messy. Okay. Put some of that in my scalp, you know. Some of that good oils in my scalp. Some of that in my kitchen. My hair is thick. Miss no spots. Ooh, it's really watery. Okay. This stuff is really good. The hair mask all throughout my hair. And my first initial thoughts is I wish I added some Jamaican Black castor oil to this, because I did find this recipe on naturalcurly.com. So I knew I wanted something to do with pumpkin. So I wish I added some JBCO to this mixture, because I can see it already being really moisturizing with my curls popping, especially in the back, because my curls don't ever do this in the back. Like, that looks pretty juicy. So next, my con is that I wish I detangled my hair first before doing this, because I'm just like going through this stuff and it's like kind of hard for me to like go through my hair a little bit. But I mean, I did get all of the mixture throughout of my hair, so I'm really excited about how this deep conditioner is going to go, because so far it's doing really nicely. I mean, my hair feels really moisturized. I got a lot left. Like, I got a whole nother like usage left, so I'm gonna go ahead and storage this in my refrigerator. Hopefully it doesn't go bad, but I am gonna do next time. I'm gonna add some Jamaican Black castor oil to it, because get my scalp. Okay, so that is all worked throughout my hair, and yes, it is pulpy and it's really messy. Like, I would most definitely make sure you're wearing something that you don't care about, because yeah, it's really messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. Knowing me, I'll let it sit for an hour because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna sit for like an hour, and I will come back and I will show you guys what my hair looks like. But first, I'm gonna go and put my plastic cap on. I'm gonna put a Target plastic cap on my head. Let it sit. I should add heat to it, but no, I mean, I'm lazy, so probably not going to do that. So I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. All right, so this is what I'm going to be looking like for the next hour. It's in my ear. Okay. And yeah, so I will see you guys when I wash this out. I already added the pumpkin mask in my hair. I have literally 3 plastic bags on my head because it is dripping. It is dripping so much. So that is one con I don't like about this mask, that it drips. So I had to put 3 bags on it so it doesn't drip on my neck. And I'm gonna put my towel back on because it's been dripping. So I just add my little fake microfiber towel on my head just to trap in the heat. Now for my wash day lineup, I was pretty prepared because people have already been said that this is hard. These pumpkin bits are hard to get out. So I usually do not do this. I'm going to go in with 2 different shampoos today. I'm going to use the Eden Body Works Natural Shampoo Clarifying Shampoo First Base. And then for my next wash, I'm going to do the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Shampoo. So I'm going to do 2 shampoos to make sure all of the pumpkin bits are out of my hair. And then for conditioner, I'm just going to use the Camille Rose Naturals Jameson Max Conditioner. This is in a jar now, but I still have the old bottle, so I'm going to use this as my conditioner. And for deep conditioner, I'm going to use the TGIN Rose Water Hair Hydration Hair Mask. Yeah, so when you guys see me, I will, can't talk. So when I come back, you're going to see how my hair looks without the, products in it. I'm gonna rinse it out first and show you guys what my hair looks like before I shampoo it, and then I will judge to see if I need to use another shampoo. So I forgot what all I just said. 2 shampoos, but if it's not any pumpkin bits in it, I'm gonna just do 1 shampoo. And so yes, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like when I rinse out the hair mask. Peace. I rinsed out the deep conditioner. Do y'all see that shine? Look, this is my hair right now. It is so shiny. Like, this mask made my hair really shiny. I still see some pumpkin bits in it, but it's not bad. So I am gonna wash my hair twice, get the pumpkin bits out, but I'll probably rinse my hair out. Like, it took me about 5 minutes to rinse my hair. It feels so good. It feels really soft, very strengthened. Like, I'm really liking how my hair feels. Like, this looks really good. Like, this looks like my wash and go. Like, seriously. You see those curls? Like, my deep conditioner never has my hair this curly. So I'm definitely gonna be doing this treatment again. The only con is that I have to shampoo it out. So I would not do this on freshly washed hair because there are some pumpkin bits in there. But I have to say, my hair looks really good. Like, this is good. The shine is on bleak. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'm gonna use the, like I said, the Eden Body Works shampoo and the Mielle Organics shampoo in the shower, just to get all of this pumpkin bits out of my hair. But overall, this deep conditioner was really good. Like, my hair never looks this good before. Alright, so I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like after I deep condition with the TGIN hair mask. So, I got a confession. So, this is actually day 3. I remember I was supposed to come back and talk about, I think I was supposed to show my hair after I did the hair mask, after the TGI hair mask. I'm pretty sure. I think so. And I didn't, obviously. I'm gonna tell you what happened. So with my hair, I found the show. I found the show that I really like, and it's called Love Country Craft, I think. Love Craft Country, one of those two. On Amazon Video. And y'all, it's an HBO show, by the way. And it's so good. Like, I literally spent my whole Saturday watching that. Like, I'm on episode 5. It's so good. It's so good. Like, oh my gosh. And so Sunday, I didn't do anything because I was like, that's my Jesus day. And that's my, I was watching that show still. So, and I forgot my whole responsibilities is to film and come back and show you guys what my hair looked like after I did my hair. So I sat in front of the camera, in front of the TV, sat in front of the TV, deep condition, and I twisted my hair with the melanin, what is it? I'll be right back, let me show you guys. Twisted my hair with the melanin twisting butter, which is my favorite butter of all time right now. I love that butter. I mean, it's a gem, hands down. And yeah, so I have not done nothing else to my hair in 4 days. Look at my hair, y'all. I have not moisturized it. I have not put nothing on it. Honestly, I haven't even retwisted my hair yet. This is my hair still. Like, this looks really good. I have to thank that mask. Let me tell you why. Because my hair is never this shiny. My hair is never this moisturized. So I will be doing that pumpkin hair mask again because my hair is still really shiny. You can't really see shine in the camera, but I can see my shine, and also I can see the moisture. Like, my hair is still really moisturized. Like, granted, this product's already moisturizing as it is, but it's extra moisturizing with that hair mask I did. Like, even, like, it was just like after I rinsed my hair after that pumpkin mask, my hair was so moisturized. And then when I did the TGIN, moisture was like everywhere. Like, moisture was just like popping all through my curls, all through my cuticle. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't come back, but I'm here. So yeah, so this is my hair. I like it. It's cute. I know. So yeah, so obviously I will be doing the pumpkin hair mask again. I'm sorry I look busted because I just came home. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys, and bye.